guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video, and today I'll be sharing some product reviews with you. I recently got some stuff from purplle.com. Purplle.com is an online shopping website and you can buy anything related to beauty, makeup, skincare. They have whole range of products and I'm sure you will already be knowing about this brand. I have been using these products for almost a month now, so I guess I'm in a good position to do the review and share what I feel about these products. These are the products that I received from purplle.com. First one is this Ayush Therapy shampoo. It comes with this pouch type packaging. This is how the product looks like. This Ayush Therapy Dandruff Nashak shampoo, and it claims to do hair vitalization. It says, as per Ayurveda, dandruff is a scalp disorder due to imbalance of cough and what, and with the herbs like rosemary, liver Ayush Dandruff Nashak shampoo helps reduce dandruff. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo. It comes with the white colored plastic bottle and it has a flip top packaging, so you can dispense the product easily. It retails for rupees 325 and it's a 200 ml product. And this is how the product looks like. It has a medium thick gel like texture and it's a brown colored shampoo, maybe because of the herbs it has, and it does have a smell. It's not something that I dislike, so I'm pretty okay with the fragrance. The smell is slightly stronger initially, but it fades off pretty quickly, so it doesn't bother me much. The shampoo comes with this tiny little tag that got damaged in my case because I've been using this shampoo, but it contains all the ingredients. So mine you couldn't read, but I'll share the ingredients that it has. The shampoo contains rosemary oil, which has anti-dandruff properties, neem oil, which is antibacterial and keeps the scalp issues at bay, tulsi, which protect from germs, and it also contains shikakai, amla and henna, which are all like good products and do all the good things to the hair, but it doesn't mention the full ingredients list. I don't know whether the shampoo is SLES based or not, but it is definitely paraben free. How to use the shampoo: apply Dandruff Nashak shampoo on wet scalp and hair, gently massage into the scalp to leather, leave for 2-3 minutes, rinse thoroughly, repeat if required. For best results, use after massaging scalp with hair Koshak oil. Now coming to the performance of this shampoo, so I have been using this shampoo for almost a month. It gives a good lather. I use a tiny amount, like a dollop or two on my hair, and it gives a rich lather. Though I have to use a little bit more with oily hair, but it does a pretty good job at cleansing my hair without making them dry. It cleanses effectively, and just one wash is enough to get rid of all the germs and dirt and oil. It does makes my hair smoother and softer. Like, my hair have been super frizzy, but as you can see, I have used this shampoo yesterday without oiling my hair, and you can see that it doesn't feel rough or frizzy. They are pretty smooth and silky to touch, so I really like it. Coming to its effectiveness on dandruff, yes, it does help me with the dandruff. I can't say it has 100% removed the dandruff, but yes, it has put a check on the dandruff I had, and it also helped me in reducing hair fall as well to some extent. So yes, it's a pretty good shampoo and it does what it claims. So, and for the price, like 325 for 200 ml, I think it's a good product. It contains a lot of herbal and natural ingredients, and it is free from most of the chemicals and damage your hair. I feel this one is a good pick if you want to switch to a Ayurvedic natural shampoo. Another thing that I got, this Ayush Suvarna Poshak Skin Rejuvenation Cream. This is how the packaging looks like, a triangle pyramid sort of packaging, and it retails for rupees 210 for 50 gram. Let's see what the cream claims. So this Suvarna Poshak has a unique Ayurvedic formulation that works actively to enhance your natural complexion. It not only provides fairness, but ingredients in it like Thirit, Rasayani also keep blemishes away. Its smooth creamy application leaves your skin feeling soft, cool and glowing with health. Let's come to the ingredients and then I will talk about the effectiveness of this cream. So it contains Rasayani, which lightens skin, smoothens wrinkles and reduces blemishes. Chandrayuti, which imparts glow to the skin. Grey Kanya, that is, I guess, the aloe vera juice, which protects and heals the skin. Thirit bark powder, that reduces freckles and blemishes, and it claims it contains no artificial colors and no bleaching agents. Now, how to use this product: you have to gently massage the Ayush Suvarna Poshak cream into the face and neck and arms with an upward circular motion like this, especially smooth over areas where you notice fine lines. And for best results, apply twice daily. This comes in this tube type packaging. and it's again a white color tube, and it is a paraben free product. So let's see how the cream looks like. So this is the Suvana Posha cream. It's a peachy pearly cream with a medium thin texture. You can see how thin it is. It glides on smoothly. It is spread so easily and it gets quickly into the skin. It gets completely absorbed into the skin. It doesn't leave any residue. It doesn't feel oily, sticky, anything. So you can see there is no white cast. While it is getting absorbed into the skin, it gives a slight cooling sensation. Very slight cooling sensation. This cream does have some fragrance like that of Nycil. But it's not strong, so it doesn't bother me. It is completely gone, and it gives a soft satin matte finish to the skin. But I have a super dry skin, so I need a moisturizer with this because my skin doesn't feel moisturized. But I have been using this cream for a while. I can't see a significant difference in the fine lines I have like under my eyes and around the nose. If you have an oily skin or a combination skin and you are looking for a good daytime moisturizer for your skin, this one can be a good one, because it, like in monsoons it can be really tough to find a good moisturizer. So I guess this can be a good day cream. All the ingredients that it has can work on enhancing the complexion, and you can buy the Liver Ayush Therapy products on Purplle.com. The third and the last product I have in here is this Fairfax Hair Energizer. This is how it looks like. This is the tiny hair energizer. It's a thick glass bottle with a silver cap, and when you unscrew the cap, you will see a tiny dropper thing. So you are not going to waste the product while using it. It comes with an instruction leaflet. Fairfax Hair Energizer retails for ₹600 and it's just a 5 ml product. It claims to be oil free, water soluble, reduces hair fall, improves overall hair quality. Use it. After shampoo, add 5 to 7 drops in 2 to 3 liters of water and rinse your hair. Finally pat and dry. So it's actually like a last rinse for your hair after shampoo. So you can skip your conditioner and just use this. It contains a lot of natural ingredients that will help in improving the quality of your hair. It's a yellow color liquid and it does have a slight fragrance, but I dilute it with water. I don't smell anything. Coming to its effectiveness, I have used it a few times along with this Liver Ayush Therapy shampoo, and it does impart a little bit of shine to my hair, but I won't say it makes my hair looks glossy or super shiny. My hair looks healthy and like nourished. And coming to its claim to reducing hair fall and improving hair quality, I feel it does work on improving the overall hair quality, because it is made with so many of natural ingredients that will stay on top of your hair and protect them from damage. But as far as hair fall is concerned, I haven't seen much of a difference. But the only thing is this tiny little bottle for 600 rupees. It's very expensive, or like maybe a 20-30 ml product would have been fine for 600 rupees, but this is like a very tiny amount. Though it claims to survive 25 washes, but it can be slight wastage while using it because I might use more than the required product. Currently it is available for ₹390 on Purplle.com at a 35% discount, which I feel is a great deal. If you want to try this product and see yourself if it works for you without spending too much. All of these products are available on Purplle.com, so if you're interested in any of these, I'm really impressed with the shampoo and I totally recommend trying it. I'm sure you will be impressed as much as I am. Yes, that's it from me today, and I hope you like this video, and if you do like it and find it helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You can follow me on all of my social media. All of my social media links will be listed down below, so don't forget to check the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!